Hey guys, this is Rado with PhoneArena, and today we have this little friend with us here, the second generation of Apple Pencil. It's really cool, it has a bunch of new features like a new design and wireless charging. So let's go ahead and unbox it. So here it is, the Apple Pencil 2. We have this convenient pull tab here, so that we can easily remove the plastic, like so. Get this away. Fairly minimalistic cardboard box, pencil branding here. We have the new design visible on the front. Let's open it. Another pull tab here, very convenient. And first we have a little sleeve with a bunch of boring information. We don't need to read this now. And then we just have the pencil itself wrapped in more plastic. Okay, so this is it, the new Apple Pencil 2 with this interesting new design where we have one of its sides which is flat. As you can remember, the previous one was fully rounded and more polished. This one has a more matte finish, and as you probably know, its signature feature is that you can now magnetically attach it to the new iPad Pro, which I assume is what this little thingy here is for. And this should also charge it automatically, like this. We hit connect, get a nice little preview of the new features, and yeah, it immediately attaches to it. Apple Pencil registered, and it goes on to charge it. So very nice, big upgrade here to the Pencil 2. And aside from that, with built-in applications, you can use it for mostly for note-taking here with the Notes app, but of course it's accurate enough so that you can use it for all kinds of work like designing, drawing, and whatever you see fit. So there you have it, guys, the new Apple Pencil 2. So thank you for watching our unboxing video. If you'd like to get more content like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel, and seeing that you're here, you'll probably be interested to see our new Apple iPad Pro review.